from Foundation Crew. Today I'm gonna teach you my concept, Recoil Style. This is brought to you by Spin Control. Yo, I like this style. Why? This movement, this concept doesn't need to do your power, technique, but still you can get dynamics, the flow. So Recoil Style is like springs, you know, like spring is like same power, and then it is meoing, meoing. This is this movement concept. It's like if you say power, ooh, and then it is slide, jump, bang. Maybe you can be spring guy. First things, don't be afraid about crash. If you don't understand what happened to yourself, that's the best point of your making new move. If you can think of it, other people can think of it. If you don't understand what happened to yourself, that's the best place for something original. That's why crash is really important. So I show you my recoil style tips. First, you can kick like CC, like you can kick here 100% your power, and then before I kick and then jump here, I show you. And then first, what happened? But looks flow is like crazy. So and then I try again. More crush here, sometimes crush here. Oh, this was nice, like this. And then I can use my foot, and then I make like this. So something with recoil, 100% crush, but if you control your crush, it's gonna be move. I'm gonna teach you some easy concept of recoil movement. First one is wake up. Wake up. But if you save your power, like save your power with your foot like this, 100% wake up. It's some recoil here, right? So, like this, you can looking for some more. Don't be afraid about crush. Like, and then also you can like this, and then here you can also save power, and then release. One more tips. With CC have great bounce, you know, great recoil movement. Like CC is like this, and also you can go like this. You can make your bounce, you know. Also jumping is really recoil, right? So with CC, like this, and then you can go everywhere. Like, don't be scared, and then more 100% power. You can good crush. If you good crush, it's doesn't expect it. It's 100% creativity. I'm gonna show you this my style. Wake up, recoil. Like this. And then kick one. Like this. CC one. This one is also recoil.
You can looking for everything. This one too. Hook it, zip up, jump it. You can looking for this one. Save stamina. That was Recoil Style. Shout out to Spin Control, Forget Never. Thank you for watching. Bboy Wing Zero. Peace.